It will include not returning to the scene of the alleged crime, no contact with any alleged victim, complainant, or witness. Did you have any questions, sir?
No, ma'am.
Okay, just up to your left after. We'll get you that paperwork. Thank you.
Thank you.
Ms. Butterfield to the podium.
Butterfield?
Mr. Medina to the chair.
Miss Butterfield? She engaged just when you think you heard it all. What's up, Laura? What up, Dan?
Can I get your name and date of birth?
Mara
She's
Butterfield, 6/19/1991.
Thank you, ma'am. It does look like you are here on two cases. You failed to appear at a hearing for
Does she have a
some
street
pending
jacket on?
felony charges that you have on two cases. I'm going to affirm the attorney previously appointed to represent you and set a status conference October 21st at 8:30.
What up, Jaden?
Okay.
Okay.
You have a secured appearance bond of $10,000 in each case
What up,
for a
Jimmy?
total of $20,000.
She said
In the
91.
event you do post that
What up,
bond, you
Max?
will have written conditions of
Ryan?
release. Some of those things do include not returning to the
Max?
scene of any alleged crime, no contact with any alleged victim, complainant, or witness.
Yes.
And then you'll also
Lisa?
need to ensure that you attend all of your future hearings. If you were to fail to appear again, another warrant would issue and
What
you'd
up, no
forfeit
face?
any bond you posted.
Shay?
Do you have any questions, ma'am?
I'm born in 91.
Okay, we do need to reprint number 12. If you'll please take a seat in the gallery, they'll bring you your paperwork. Thank you, ma'am. Mr. Medina to the podium.
Mr. Medina.
Mr.
come
Rosas
on
to the
down.
chair.
Mr. Rose. Hey, who's that copper right there? Damn, what's up with that fool's back? His back look kind of shot out.
Think
Did
it's your name
anybody
and
see
date of
that? We need a replay for that.
12/25/1992.
Highlight. We need a highlight for that. What up, no?
Can I get your name?
Oh, yes, Jesus Medina.
Jesus Medina.
Thank you, sir. It does look like you are here on a new case. Just for 4 counts of aggravated DUI.
What?
You were
Did
required
they
to have
say
an
4?
interlock that was not on the vehicle you were driving, a Class 4 felony. 1 count of DUI, a Class 1 misdemeanor. 1 count of DUI with a BAC of .08 or more, a Class 1 misdemeanor. 1 count of extreme DUI with a BAC of .15 to .20, a Class 1 misdemeanor. And 1 count of extreme DUI, a BAC
Aggravated
of
means somebody got
.20 or
hurt.
more, a Class 1 misdemeanor. For purposes of today's hearing, I am not finding probable cause for 3 of the aggravated DUI counts.
3?
And the 1 count for a BAC of .280 or more. I am finding probable cause on the other charges and appointing an attorney to represent you. You are going to have a status conference October 16th at 8:30, a preliminary hearing October 20th at 8:30. You have a secured appearance bond in the amount of $5,000. In the event you post that bond, you will be released to the supervision of pretrial services and you will have alcohol testing and monitoring. And then you'll have written conditions of release. You may not possess or consume alcohol and you may not drive a motor vehicle without a valid driver's license.
Clown?
All of that will be in your paperwork, sir. Did you have any
Damn, I
questions?
forgot to turn on my...
No, you are.
You can take a step to your left. The officer will get that paperwork to you. Thank you.
Lights over here. How come nobody told me?
Mr. Rosa to the
my
podium.
lights over
Mr.
here.
Ortiz to the chair.
What's wrong with his back? Did anybody notice that? Does anybody else see that? Are we seeing the same thing here? Did
Take
you
your
guys
name
see?
and
He
date of
looks like a duck.
Eduardo Rosas, October 10, 2003.
Thank you, sir. You are here on a new case. This is for 1
What
count of
up,
robbery,
what
a
up,
Class 4
Sparkles?
felony, and 1 count of criminal damage, a Class 5 felony.
Hunchback.
Probable cause has been found, and I'm appointing an attorney to represent you. You're going to
That
have a
fool
status
looks like an
conference
egger.
October
That's who he
16th at
looks like.
8:30,
Jay,
a
sorry,
preliminary
your lights are
hearing October
distracting me.
20th at 8:30. You have a secured appearance bond in the amount of $5,000. In the event you post that bond, you have written conditions of release. You may not initiate contact with any alleged victim, complainant, witness, and you may not possess any weapons. All of this will be in your paperwork. Did you have any questions?
The charges weren't dropped.
No, sir.
What did that fool
Are
say?
you talking about for these new charges that happened today?
Yeah.
No, so you've been arrested on these charges, and at this time they've indicated they are moving forward with these charges. If you're referring to the victim, I don't know whether or not the victim intends on having them move forward, but at this time the state is moving forward with these
Charges weren't dropped.
Okay.
Anything further?
No.
Okay, take a step to your left. The officer will get you that paperwork.
What up, Kimberly?
Mr. Ortiz to the
Up
podium.
next on The Price is
Mr.
Wrong.
Posey to the chair.
What a loser. Hey, whoever he hired to intimidate his victim, it didn't work. They lied to him. He better request a refund on that one because they didn't do the job right. His shoes don't match.
Nathan James Ortiz, 3/19/1990.
Thank you,
Jane
sir. You are here
Ortiz.
today on a new case. It is for 1 count of narcotic drug possession, 1 count of dangerous drug possession, both Class 4 felonies, and 1 count of drug paraphernalia possession, Class 6 felony. Probable cause has been found, and I'm appointing an attorney to represent you. You have a status conference October 27th at 8:30, a preliminary hearing October 29th at 8:30. I am going to release you to the supervision of pretrial services. You will have written conditions of release. You may not possess drugs without a valid prescription. You may not drive a motor vehicle without a valid driver's license, and you're also going to get an envelope with your paperwork.
Why
You
is
need to
this fool
read
have
those
his head down
instructions
for?
and contact pretrial
Come on,
services
you're gonna
upon
commit
your
crimes,
release.
keep your
Did
head
you have
up
any
high.
questions, sir?
No,
Don't be
ma'am.
Please
ashamed.
step to your left. The officer will get you that paperwork.
Step to the left. Here, another.
Mr. Posey to the podium, Mr. Montez to
We're
the
gonna give him
chair.
a double. He's coming down. He's gonna come down, all right, if you will. Up next on The Price is Wrong. Damn.
Can I get your name and date of birth?
Hey, they pulled up the
Nathaniel
stops
Posey,
today.
April 25th, 1980.
Thank you, sir. You are here
this
on a new
Arizona?
case.
Yep,
It is for
Kyle.
1 count of narcotic drug possession, a Class 4 felony, and 1
Can't you
count
tell
of
by
drug
his haircut?
paraphernalia possession, a Class 6 felony. Probable cause has been found, and I'm
Regina.
appointing an attorney to represent you. You have a status conference October
back, too.
27th at 8:30, a preliminary hearing October 29th at 8:30. I am going to release you today on your own recognizance. That is your promise to appear at these hearings. You do have written conditions of release. Some of those things include not possessing any drugs without a valid prescription. You're also going to need to ensure that you attend all of your future hearings. If you fail to appear at any of them, a warrant will issue, and then you will be held on bond at your next hearing. Did you have any
This
questions,
life
sir?
is funny.
Okay, please take a step to your left. The officer will get you that paperwork.
Some people would beg to differ
Mr.
with you.
Montez to the podium, Mr. Bangle to the chair.
Yeah, you're right. Yeah, you're right. That's right, Kyle. Ay, ay, ay.
Can I get your name and date of birth?
Alberto Montes, December 22nd, 1986.
Thank you, sir. You are here on a new case. It is for 1 count of dangerous drug possession, a Class 4 felony, 1 count of drug paraphernalia possession, a Class 6 felony.
Damn, did they have a
Probable
drug
cause
sweep
has
today?
been
Did they
found,
pick
and I'm
every-
appointing
did
an
they pick up
attorney
all
to
the
represent
users?
you. You'll have a status
1986?
conference October 27th at 8:30 and a preliminary hearing October 29th at 8:30.
Ma'am, would it be possible to move it to Veterans Court?
Veterans
So
Court.
I don't have the ability to do that today.
Okay.
Show up to your hearing on October 27th, meet with your attorney, and that's something they can ask the judge at that time. I just can't do that
What
at
up,
this
Nicole?
court, okay? I am going to release you today on your own recognizance. That is your promise to appear. You do have written conditions of release. You may not possess drugs without a valid prescription, and you may not drive a motor vehicle without a valid driver's license. All
He
of
had
that will
some
be in your
rugs, some
paperwork. Did you have any
dangerous rugs,
questions?
if you will.
No, ma'am. No.
Okay, just up to your left. The officer will get you that
It
paperwork.
was probably H, if you will.
Mr. Bangle to the podium, Ms. Osorno to the chair.
Veterans Court, I would assume, is with somebody that was in the military, so they get a little bit of special treatment, if
Can I
you
get your name and
will.
date of birth?
David Bengal, August 31st, 1983.
Thank you, sir. It does look like you are here on a new case for 1 count of narcotic drug possession, a Class 4 felony, and 1 count of drug paraphernalia possession, a Class 6 felony.
What kind of
Probable
sweater does
cause
this guy
has been
have?
found, and I'm appointing an attorney to represent you.
Can anybody make
You
it
will have a
out?
status conference October 27th at 8:30 and a preliminary hearing October 29th at
I
8:30.
can't make it out.
I am going to release you
This
today on your own
ABA?
recognizance. That is your promise to appear at those hearings. You do have written conditions of
Definitely
release.
picked
You may
up all
not
the
possess any
users.
drugs without a valid prescription, and you need to ensure that you attend all of your future hearings. If you fail to appear at any of them, a warrant will issue, and you will be
thank you,
held on
Dylan.
bond at the next hearing. Did you have any questions, sir?
He definitely didn't get that haircut of Supercuts.
Okay, just up to your left, the officer will get you that
I can tell you
paperwork.
that much. That's for sure.
Ms.
Yeah,
Osorno
this
to the
judge is
podium.
nice. I have some sweaters like that. Oh, okay. Thank you. Thank you for that, Dylan. She looks
May I get your name and
mighty
date of birth?
sporty, like she got picked
Angelica
up
Sorno,
going to the
1489.
gym.
Thank you, ma'am. You are here today on a new case from the Santan Justice Court for 1 count of
Santan.
assault, a Class 1 misdemeanor. Based on the financial profile that you had created with the pretrial services, I do not find that you are indigent, so I'm not appointing an attorney to represent you. You may hire one at your own expense. I also was not given any factual information regarding the situation
Ooh,
that
thank
took
you for
place
that,
today. Therefore, I am not finding probable cause as it relates to these charges. That does not mean they are dismissed. They may complete a
She's about
full
4
report and
feet.
submit the charges.
The little
So I'm
ones are
still going to
always
set a
violent.
hearing that you need to
What up,
attend.
Ella?
If you were to fail to appear at this hearing, a warrant would issue for your arrest. It'll be an arraignment hearing October 28th at
She looks
9
pretty
a.m.
tough.
in the Santan Justice Court.
She'll
All of
probably
this will
beat
be
me
in your
on,
paperwork.
if we
Did you have any
did a,
questions?
what,
Okay, just take a step to your left. The officer will get you
what
that
is it
paperwork.
called? What am I trying to say here? What do you call it? Arm wrestling. Arm wrestle. You know what I'm saying? What did she assault? Arm wrestling Aaron. Looked like she had a little bit of meat on her, if you will. Yeah. How do they decide if they provide an attorney or not? If you have a felony or not. If it's a felony, you're gonna get a lawyer. But then also based
Hello,
on
Gary
how much money
Ramirez,
you make.
May 26th, 94.
This
Thank
guy's
you,
a
sir. You are
regular.
here today on a new
This
case.
guy, he's a regular.
It is for one count of sexual abuse, a Class 5 felony,
Fernando.
one count of assault, Class 1
Based on
misdemeanor,
income, that's right.
one count of disorderly conduct, Class 1 misdemeanor, and one
Is
count
that a Dragon Ball
of
Z shirt
preventing
he
or
has on?
interfering with a telephone in an emergency, Class 2 misdemeanor. Probable cause has been found, and I'm appointing an attorney to represent you. You're going to have a status
I can't call
conference
it.
October 16th at
regular.
8:30 and a preliminary hearing October 20th at 8:30. In this case, you have a secured appearance bond in the amount of $25,000. In the event you post that bond, you will be released to the supervision of pretrial services and you will be equipped with electronic monitoring. You also have written conditions of
OMG, his
release.
first charge.
You may not
keep him
return to
locked
the
up.
scene of the alleged crime. You may not contact the alleged victim, complainant, or witness, and you may not possess any weapons. All of this information will be in your paperwork, sir. Did you have any questions?
What?
If you'll step to your left, officer, we'll get
He
you that
mastered
paperwork.
the
Thank you.
Fallout Boy emo hairstyle. What the what?
Thank you. The remaining case will proceed as a house call
Oh man, come on.
due to being combative. Matthew Nay's date of birth, April 16th, 2000, is here on a new case for one count of aggravated assault, a Class
Worse
4
than the
felony,
Edgar.
one count of false report to law enforcement, a Class 1 misdemeanor, and one count of criminal trespass, a Class 3 misdemeanor.
Ay.
Probable cause has been found, and I'm appointing an attorney to represent him. He will have a status conference October 16th at 8:30, a preliminary hearing October 20th at 8:30. He has a secured appearance bond in the amount of $1,500.
This is
In the event that
Maricopa.
bond is posted, he will have written conditions of release. It does include not returning to the scene of the alleged crime, no contact with the alleged victim, complainant, or witness. All of this will be in his paperwork. If anything changes after I meet with him, I will update the written record. This does conclude our 11 p.m. calendar, and we will stand in recess until 2 a.m.
Did she say 11 p.m.? No, wait, this can't be 11 p.m. because where I live, they don't have court on the weekends, let alone at 11 p.m. That's preposterous, if you will. Damn, man. Next one's gonna be 2 a.m. 2 a.m. court. Yup. Damn, man, I was on a good one too. Only 15 minutes. Not even 15 minutes. 11 minutes. Jesus. Damn, they did us dirty today, and I was feeling good. I was feeling really good tonight. Ay. Should I come back at 2 a.m.? Who's gonna be up at 2 a.m.? Maybe I'll come back at 2 a.m. Today's Saturday, right? I don't think I have to go preposterous, if you will. Shawana. Ay. How dare they do this to us, man? So I guess I'll be back. I'm not. To be honest with you guys, I'm not sleepy yet. I was actually editing some videos because I want to upload some videos of Joe and my man Rick Black. Now I gotta hit the hey, damn. I will. I'm working till 6 a.m. Damn, they got you on that graveyard shift. Jesus. I'll be up. All right then. Then I guess I'll be back then. I'll be back. I'm sure my wife's gonna be happy that it's a short court today. But little does she know, as soon as she falls asleep, I'm gonna strike at 2 a.m. Boo, graveyard shift. They got to arrest some people for the 2 a.m. show. Man, they gotta do something. I might be up. All right then. Hey guys, well, hey, I see there's 80 people in here. I don't think everybody in here is following me, but if you're not, hit that follow button. What time is it there? Right here? I'm from LA, so my time zone, I'm Pacific Standard Time Zone. It's 11:12. Arizona is also 11:12. Good night, James. Thank you. Hey, you're welcome, Matthew. Thank you for keeping me updated on the sports stats. If you will, Jimmy, damn, you must be like in England or something, Jimmy. For sure, you're like 8 hours ahead of us. Let me see right there. I've never seen so much court. Ay. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and cut it. Hey, I do appreciate you guys. Man, I know that's what I'm saying, Eric. Man, I know. I'm telling you, I was ready. I was ready to do the damn thing. Anyhow, hey, this is Collect Call James. You are watching. You have a collect call from. And like I said around here, life's like a candle. Once you blow it out, it lights out. It's 2:12 in Atlanta in the big ATL. That's right. Gonna go ahead and give a shout out to the ATL. Oops, wrong one. I meant to press this one. Here we go. Hey. Anyhow, hey. And with that, I'm out. You guys go ahead and have a good night, all right? 1 a.m. in Indiana. You guys have a good one, all right? I'll see you guys in the next one if you're back at 2 a.m. and if I don't fall asleep. But if I don't fall asleep, guarantee that we'll be back, all right? And with that, I'm out.